Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and check it out. 2026 Brinkley 23X, and I've got something really cool to show you on the inside and when it comes to appliances. But there's a 23X badging, but I wanted to shoot the outside real quick. And I really like Brinkley's, as I've said on practically every Brinkley I've ever shot. I'm going to save the best for last, something pretty darn cool. But we'll check out the inside storage. Here's where you have your power panel, soft close or easy close cabinets. Very nice. And then we have the flat screen TV over your dining / workstation, your bedroom area with your curtain, your privacy, or as they say in England, privacy curtain. And you can see the track that it runs on. Your theater seatings, almost said captain's chairs, but theater seating with your center console cup holders. And we'll get to that surprise refrigerator here in a moment. Very nice hook setup. And I love the bathroom. And it's a smaller bathroom, but Brinkley just has a way of making a lot out of a little space. Very elegant. Your nice kitchen sink with your restaurant style spray nozzle. 3-burner cooktop, which is really, really nice. Nice and beefy. Very durable. And then, you know, the Brinkley over the top, your paper towel, trash bag, container, and then also your trash can, cabinet, drawers. And then check this. Well, there's the microwave oven here. And then let's check out the refrigerator. So you can open it from the kitchen side, and check this out. You can open it from both sides. So in the 50s, some refrigerators did that. And I know in the 1948 Buick, you can open the hood on either side. And Lexus has their center armrest that you can open from either side. So I think that's pretty darn cool. And I'm going to show you the mechanism on the top for those that find this type of thing interesting, and that's myself. Plenty of cabinet space here as well. So again, I failed to mention this is a Bill Thomas camper. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts in Wentzville, Missouri. But the killer is the Anthony Hill refrigerator door. It swings both ways, and I think that's pretty darn cool. So that's what I wanted to highlight. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.